I'm Liz with American Commercial Roofing. When you're navigating the insurance process before or after filing a claim, there are a lot of terms that can be confusing. A lot of jargon gets thrown around, so it's important to understand exactly what everything means so that you can make the best decision for you and your family and advocate for yourself. One thing that most dramatically affects your coverage is your policy type. While there are many policy-specific nuances, they're generally categorized into two main types: ACV, actual cash value, and RCV, placement cost value. What are these policy types and how do they differ from each other? How will they affect you when you file a storm claim? An ACV policy reimburses the homeowner for the cost of the insured property minus depreciation. Depreciation is the loss of value of an item over time due to age and wear and tear. An insurance estimate for replacement of a roof covered by an ACV policy will equal the full cost of replacement minus the depreciation. They usually have cheaper premiums and their claims may be processed quicker, but the difference between the insurance payout and the replacement number is an out-of-pocket expense. An RCV policy reimburses the homeowner fully for the cost of the insured property to like, kind, and quality. So if you have an architectural shingle on your home and the roof is fully approved for replacement by insurance, then the insurance is required to cover the cost of replacement with an architectural shingle. Upgrades like a Class 4 shingle from an ARC or ridge vent from box vents are out-of-pocket expenses that you can choose when you have your roof replaced, increasing the value and curb appeal of your home and potentially lowering your premiums with some upgrades and policies. Now that you know this, what can you do? Check your insurance policy. If you live in a storm state like here in Kansas, an RCV policy is usually a better choice for protecting your home given the rate of occurrence of severe weather we have here. If you have an ACV policy and have been affected by a storm requiring replacement, there are many ways we can help finance your payments to minimize that out-of-pocket expense. Whatever policy type you have, we're here to help you navigate the stress of filing a claim and arm you with the information you need to make an informed decision that suits your needs first.